What you see now is the legendary 3-0 in action. With calculated precision, specialists of the Tsentr group turn the so-called cowboy Humvee into nothing but a heap of mangled steel. The calm pursuit ended with a fiery finale, the vehicle erupting in a powerful blast, captured frame by frame. Retreat or not, there was no choice. Russian forces gave no room for hesitation. As Ukrainian troops attempted to send reinforcements, the armored vehicles of the Ukrainian armed forces were cornered into tight positions until, finally, they were overturned and disabled on the battlefield. The reinforcement mission was a total failure. Another successful mission was carried out by the Vostok group of forces. Sniper pairs provided fire support for assault detachments, targeting key positions and disrupting enemy coordination. Their precision ensured smoother advances for Russian units on the front line. In the Krasnoarmysk direction, the crew of a T-80B V-tank from the Aleisk Guards motorized rifle unit, part of the Tsentr group of forces, destroyed a Ukrainian stronghold along with its firing position. In Oktyabrskoye, the Russian Air Force deployed FAB bombs on Ukrainian military positions, completely destroying them. Again, Iskander proves unstoppable. Strikes east of Chernihiv wiped out 20 trucks loaded with long-range Lyuty UAVs. Aerial footage captured the thunderous blasts and white smoke rising instantly over the impact zone. The 68th Division of the West Group of Forces relentlessly hunts down Ukrainian military hardware around the city, providing constant fire support for the assault. With the help of the advanced FPV control system Thunderstorm Leska, strikes rain down with precision. One by one, Ukrainian vehicles are struck as drones pursue them ruthlessly. Another strike. Another blast. A Russian Ka-101 cruise missile slams into Belaya Serkov, Kiev region. The impact unleashes a massive explosion, with fire and smoke rising high above the target. Drone operators from Russia's paratroopers struck Ukrainian field artillery in the Sumy region. The footage captures the drone slamming directly into the target. No explosion is seen on camera, but the impact itself guarantees the blast that follows. In Slavutik, Kiev region, another target was identified, this time a key power infrastructure site. A Geran UAV was deployed and delivered a precise strike, triggering a massive explosion that set off fires and sent thick black smoke billowing into the sky. The destruction of this facility further cripples Ukraine's energy network, disrupting military logistics and command operations. In the Donetsk People's Republic, Russian forces employed FAB 500 bombs to strike a concentration area of Ukrainian personnel. In the Kharkiv region, UAV control stations belonging to the Ukrainian forces were destroyed. Near the settlement of Novosinovo, a powerful FAB 3000 glide bomb was used to target another concentration of Ukrainian troops, leaving the positions devastated. In the Dnipropetrovsk region, FPV drone operators of the Vostok group of forces destroyed Ukrainian motor vehicles. In the Krasnoarmysk direction, UAV teams from the Tsentr group's Special Operations Battalion neutralized Ukrainian electronic warfare systems. Still in the Krasnoarmysk sector, reconnaissance and strike drones from the Tsentr group targeted and destroyed enemy strongholds and equipment. In the Rubtsy direction, specialists from the Rubikon Center used UAVs to deliver precise fire damage against Ukrainian manpower, communication systems, drones, and temporary deployment areas. In the Konstantinovka direction, attack UAV operators from the Yug Group's 238th Artillery Brigade eliminated Ukrainian forces, hardware, and temporary deployment areas. On the front lines of battle, precision is everything. Team Rubikon moves smart, fast, and lethal. With expert skill and cutting-edge FPV drone technology, they infiltrate deep into enemy defenses. One by one, vehicles and positions are destroyed. Now, the enemy's mission has completely failed. Day and night, without pause, Russian forces continue to advance relentlessly toward the Dnipropetrovsk region. Meanwhile, on another front line, the city of Pokrovsk stands as a silent witness to a series of precision strikes. Key targets were hit decisively. Ukrainian armed forces' military equipment was destroyed one by one, the result of operations designed to weaken the enemy's combat strength. A pretty traumatic explosion, wasn't it? This is the success of the soldiers from the Southern Forces Group. They destroyed 5 Ukrainian UAV control centers and 1 radar station. What else can Ukraine do? Wow! This is a rare and surprising discovery from the battlefield. An advanced UAV, the Jupiter H-1, belonging to the armed forces of Ukraine and capable of vertical takeoff and landing, was detected and ultimately shot down. In the Dnipropetrovsk and Pokrovsk regions, troops of the Tsentr group of forces are conducting non-stop offensive operations, striking Ukrainian infantry and equipment day and night. Drones play a decisive role, scouting hidden positions, guiding artillery, and delivering direct strikes with pinpoint accuracy. Footage shows the elimination of Ukrainian fighters, armored vehicles, and fortified positions, leaving behind burning wreckage. These operations demonstrate how drone warfare is reshaping the front lines, giving Russian forces a constant upper hand. In the middle of the night in the Poltava region, Russian forces launched a powerful coordinated strike, employing Geran drones together with Iskander K and Iskander M ballistic missiles. The attacks targeted critical energy and gas infrastructure, resulting in massive explosions and fires. The destruction caused significant disruption to Ukraine's power grid and energy supply, further straining military logistics and dependent on these facilities. In the Konstantinovka direction, Russian drone operators struck again, this time destroying a Ukrainian UAV control center. Precision from the skies, another key node of Kyiv's drone war erased. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.